Cut this shit up. Yeah, Triple C. When you see me in my Benz, nigga, knock on wood. When you see me in my Benz, nigga, knock on wood. What? Knock on wood. What? Knock on wood. What? Knock on wood. What? Knock on wood. When you see me on your set, boy, knock on wood. When the million whole chest, boy, knock on wood. What? 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 Who me? I'm in the Benz and my seats Gucci. I just got a call from my sister Ashley. She got some out of towners down trying to grab three. Now ooh me. I gotta lay them down for the 2 keys. I don't play no games, niggas know what I need. Big thing on my lap while I'm rolling my weed. So don't speak to the boy. They had the girl, now I'm blowing up with boy. I need you coming too, so we coming through. The motherfucker won't get high for a month or two. Now ooh more cheese. Stream Triple C when the SK squeeze. Every night another motherfucker gotta die. I done realized that I can't ask why. Now I say